What's up, everybody? Aaron with Quality Service today. I'm going to go over real quick how to replace the cartridge in this gooseneck Delta faucet. Pretty cut and dry, pretty simple. You know, the first thing you're going to want to do is reach under the cabinet and shut your emergency stops off. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Go ahead and kick the water on. Now, what you're going to want to do is the set screws underneath the little hot and cold. Sometimes it's a piece of rubber. You pull that out. Got an Allen set screw right there. Pull that out. Unscrew this cover. That's all that is. That's just a cover. There's a nut here. Sometimes these faucets here, they'll leak out of the handle. Mowing's real bad about it. You're gonna have some water drip back. Pull that sleeve out. Pull the cartridge out. There's nothing in there. Nothing else in there you need to worry about. We're going to get the new cartridge here. This is Delta. It's a RP50587. We're putting back in. If you click that over, it doesn't allow it to get as hot. So leave that clicked out. Best thing to do is grease that. I don't have faucet grease with me. Grease your threads so it comes back apart easier. Screw it back down. This fixes basically leaking out of the handle. If it's maybe you got poor water pressure, sometimes this will fix it, and dripping out the spout. Screw your cover back on. One thing I always like to do is I like to totally remove my set screw in my handle. Put a little grease on that. It keeps it from getting seized up. You get a lot of soap scum, hard water deposits, things like that. Pop your little hot and cold cover back in there. Turn your water back on. Notice how you rebuild that faucet.